Hello and welcome back to Rongmar. In today's maths lesson, we're taking a look at capacity. Our WALT for today is to estimate capacity and to solve some word problems using capacity. But first, what is the difference between length, weight and capacity? Pause the video and write down an answer. Well, each of these three measure different things. Length is how long something is. Capacity shows how much space there is inside of a container, and weight is how heavy something is. Let's focus in a little bit more on capacity. Take a look at this can. What do you think the capacity of the can is? In other words, how much liquid do you think this can would hold? Pause the video and write down an answer. Well, this can hold 330 milliliters. Did you get that? Let's try another one. Take a look at this bottle. What is the capacity of this bottle, do you think? In other words, how much can it hold? Pause the video and write down an answer. Well, how close was your estimate? This bottle holds 2 liters. Try this one. What do you think the capacity of this big bottle is? Pause the video and write down an answer. Well, how close was your estimate? This bottle holds 18.9 liters. You might have seen a bottle like this in a waiting room or maybe in an office. What about this one? What do you estimate the capacity of this carton to be? Pause the video and write down an answer. Well, you might know this one. It's a 1 liter carton of milk. Let's try one last one. How about an egg cup? What do you think the capacity of this egg cup might be? Pause the video and write down your answer. Well, the capacity of this egg cup is 40 milliliters. All this talk of liquids is making me thirsty. Let's head down to the juice bar and see what's going on. The Mar Juice Bar. And we have 3 different drinks available today. We've got the tropical juice, the pine punch, and the mint surprise. You can see the prices for each of them here. Let's take a few orders then. First order coming up.
Can I have 200 milliliters of tropical juice, please?
Okay, 200 milliliters of tropical juice. And it costs $5.75 for 100 milliliters. Pause the video and give this one a try. Well, here's what you should have got. We know that 100 milliliters is $5.75, but we want twice that, so we can add it 2 times or multiply by 2, and we'll get €11.50. Let's take another order.
Oh, that's too much mint surprise for me. I only want half of it. Can I have 50 milliliters of mint surprise?
50 milliliters of mint surprise. Okay. Well, 100 milliliters costs $3.50. Pause the video and see if you can figure out how much this is going to cost this lady. Okay, so we know that 100 milliliters is $3.50, and she only wants half of that, so we're going to divide by 2. When we do that, we're going to get €1.75. Order number 3.
I don't actually want a drink. I just want you to do a maths problem for me. What's the difference in price between the tropical juice and the mint surprise?
Okay, it's an awkward customer. So the tropical juice is $5.75 and the mint surprise is $3.50. And we need to find the difference between the two. Pause the video and give it a try. So this is a takeaway sum. Here's our 2 prices, $5.75, takeaway $3.50, and the difference is €2.25. That is the difference in price between the two. Order number 4.
My God, man, there's so many of them. So many children. I need 10. 10 pine punches to keep them company. How much is it going to cost me?
Okay, so this guy's got quite the gathering of children. It looks like a birthday party or something. He needs 10 pine punches. Pause the video and try work out how much that's going to cost him. So this is a multiplication sum. We know that one pine punch costs €1.10. 10 of them will cost €11 then. I've been experimenting with two very exclusive new flavors. The grape glass is €4.65 for 300 milliliters. So how much would it be for a normal 100 milliliter glass then? Pause the video and see if you can figure out the price. Well, you should have got this sum here. We're dividing it by 3 to find out what 100 mils would cost. And we get €1.53. The other exclusive flavor that I've been practicing with is the Citrus Crush. This one is €7.20 for 100 milliliters. Very exclusive. So how much would it cost for 150 milliliters? Pause the video and give this one a try. As usual, there's a few different ways of doing this. The way that I'm going to show you is by multiplying by 1.5, because we want 1.5 of that price. When we do that, we get €10.80. So our WALT for today was to estimate capacity and solve some word problems using capacity. If you feel like you're ready to try some questions by yourself, do the activities down below. If you need to watch the video again, feel free to do that too. That's all we have time for this week. Until next time, take care.